welcome to my channel, All Things with El. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this tasty patty jollof rice. Jollof rice is a dish common in Africa. The main ingredients needed for this wonderful dish is rice, tomatoes, and red bell pepper, but adaptation adds all sorts of additional flavors. So let's get started. Add to a blender tinned tomatoes, scotch bonnet, big red peppers, and onions. You might need to add a little water to help with the blending process. Now blend until smooth. Add the blended mixture into a pot and on high heat boil off the pepper mixture until 90% of the water content has evaporated and the raw taste of the tomatoes is gone. This should take roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, dice one onion into small pieces. Now, add in the diced onions into an oil that's been heated. Season with a pinch of salt and fry on a medium-low heat until the onions become translucent. This should take roughly about 4 minutes. Next, add in tomato puree. Some bay leaves, smoked paprika, curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, 3 stock cubes, and dried thyme. It is important that you keep stirring this, otherwise it will catch on the bottom. Adding tomato puree gives the jollof rice that deep reddish color and a rich flavor like the patty jollof rice. Once you're happy with the look of your fried puree, for me, I like it to look like a grainy sand. So go ahead and add in the cooked pepper that we had earlier and stir in well to incorporate the fried puree. Fry on a medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Now add in the stock and bring to a boil. I have used chicken stock to cook this jollof rice. If you choose to cook jollof rice without stock, then you will need to double the amount of spice used. For example, 1 tablespoon of curry powder will become 2 tablespoons and so on. I will list all the ingredients that I used in making my chicken stock in the description box below, should you wish to make one. Whilst the sauce is simmering, wash the rice repeatedly to get rid of starch. You want to do this until the water turns clear. rice to a boil with half of the cooked pepper blended mixture. Season with 1 level teaspoon of salt. Then cook on low heat. Cover for about 10 minutes. By low heat in this case, I mean, for example, if the highest temperature number on your hob is 14, you want to turn the heat to about 5 or 6. Please note at this point, rice will still be hard and only partly cooked. Add in the remaining cooked pepper blended mixture. Stir carefully from the bottom up so that the rice do not break and become mushy. Although the clip is not shown here, but you need to add about 600 ml of water before you cover and leave to simmer on low heat for 20 minutes. Again, carefully stir this from bottom up. The secret to a nice fluffy jollof rice is low heat, so you want to make sure you're cooking on low heat as described earlier. High heat will burn the rice without cooking it well and also makes it dry. You do not need to add any more water to this as the steam will cook it. Now check to see that the rice is soft and there is no more liquid in the rice. So there you have it, fluffy and tasty party jollof rice. If I can do it, you can. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Like us and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.